It was like...
No, me, I'm next.
Ako muna.
No, me, I'm next.
Ito pa. Pare? Bro.
About what?
Ikaw kaibigan? Hindi.
No, me, I'm next.
Valerie's
Yeah,
next. Di ba
I'm
last?
next. No.
Ako.
No,
Valerie.
it's not
Okay. Valerie, kasi si Valerie.
May ako sasabihin sa'yo na sinabi sa akin siya. Iis ka na.
Kuwagan to.
May ako sasabihin, okay. May ako sasabihin sa'yo.
Sige. Sige, kanino kay Valerie?
Sa akin daw.
First Nikki. To Valerie. Kasi
I
papagalit tayo.
already told you in the room. Sometimes we have a hard time talking to you.
Yeah, me too. Cause you're like...
And when we ask you, you don't open up. You always say,
And he
"No,
said,
no,
I'm not every time with them. I don't understand. I don't understand it anymore.
Yung sinasabi niyo parang kailangan personal space.
Huh?
Yung hindi ko number?
Sino? Si Nikki?
Backspace.
What the fuck?
Parang tapos kunwari mag-isa muna si Valerie. Ayaw mag-open up.
You know, like this, like
Ano
we're trying
about-
to read.
You really don't know because of the age of my father. Because you don't, parang yung feeling ko, we don't
That's
talk
why
so much
we-
about my life story.
Yeah, that's
You
why
don't
we
know-
reach you
you don't
out.
know my sister's name because of Chicky.
Yeah,
And because you don't ask sometimes, I was like, okay, maybe they are not so interested in my life story. Maybe
you're interested
of
keep
my age of my
asking.
father. Bakit ano
Keep
nangyari?
asking.
Si? Yung si
Oo! Si AJ nagtampo sa'yo.
talaga.
Kasi, sabi ko kasi...
Ako
Wait, yan yung last! Last na yan!
Okay lang eh.
Hindi selos. Hindi selos.
Yes, Stella! No!
May bono ba dyan? May bono ba dyan?
Makikinig mo to. Sabi niya kanina, sasabihin ko na,
No, a problem.
Sige, nagkakantahan ka kanina doon.
Wala na! We're not finished! We're not...
Not too
No, and he said, every time, you're not a pansin, you didn't notice and everything, no?
No, it's not.
talk to you.
Yeah, because sometimes you want to talk about... Yes, far enough, far enough. No.
Hindi pa.
Hindi ba?
Yeah, I know.
Next sa akin.
Talk on you.
Si EJ pa. Si Alex.
Sila, EJ. No problem.
Easy na?
Yeah, no. May sinabi na kayo tungkol kay Valerie.
Hindi. Wala. Wala ko magkabay.
Sino?
Si EJ lang. Si Valerie. EJ.
Nan.
Ako ba last?
Alex na.
Sino?